Thank you, Lord.
Hello, what's up, taga-Australian?
Yeah, Australian. This is a very good chiropractor, everyone.
If you know this,
Nino.
Tatay,
Yeah.
see you soon, Australia.
Yeah. It's really good, isn't it? Mm. And he made his own cream.
Cream. In the Filipino, we call haplas.
Haplas, that's it.
We rub to the body.
Yeah, and it's like, what did you put, mix it with this thing na?
We mix it beeswax, ginger oil, lavender, or virgin coconut oil.
Wow.
Good stuff.
That's why it's so, see? Tata said it's a good stuff.
Yes, thank you, Tay.
Very good, isn't it?
Tay, pag matag-ilong tayo.
Tata said he wants to change your nose into his nose.
What to call this?
What is it? What's happened to his nose?
Paris. What we call Paris. So tall.
So tall. We are so flat.
We connected.
Our flat.
Connect my viewers.
Mine's an English nose.
He's an English. He's got an English blood because his mom and dad is from England, British. But he born in Australia, so he's Australian man. Yeah, but the blood is not Australian.
Well, you know, all Australians are British or Scottish because they're all immigrants. Been the first Australians.
That's our chiropractor. Thank you, Lord. He's
convicts.
Very good. Everyone.
They set the prisoners over to build everything up.
Yeah. Very good chiropractor, this man. Thank you, Lord. Huh? Wala na yung operasyon na. Kalamita. Ipabiti na ang iyang talinga. Ipabiti ang iyang liog and everything.
And the feeling of that is so good.
Yeah, so you're relaxing now, Tay? Tatay? You relax?
Yep.
Yep.